From the farms that form the heartland to the mountains of the west, from the sun that warms an East Coast morning, waking from its rest, reaching south to touch the border, stretching out across the sea, from the New York lights to Hawaiian nights, that's American to me.
I can tell you this much, I make sure I'm on American every time if I can. They're just consistently better.
These guys do a better job day in, day out than anybody.
Sometimes I think I've seen it all. But I still like the reunions, the smiles, tears, hugs, and all that.
It's little things like faster check-in, departing on time, less baggage hassles, and mostly it's people with good attitude.
You can climb the Eiffel Tower, go to Switzerland and ski, roam castles on the Rhine to find a taste of history. From Dover to the palace gates, explore the British Isles. Throw your cares away as you shout "Olé" and enjoy flamenco style.
People tend to expect more from us, like this passenger who missed his flight.
I missed my flight, and well, I was less than pleasant. Anyway, this agent was good. She got me on my next flight. She helped me contact my people, and she actually seemed to care about my problem.
Sure, we need to get the planes out on time, handle all the tickets and boarding passes. That's the mechanics. But this job is really about people.
The neon nights of Tokyo, the snow on Fuji's peak, all the colors of the Orient, a mystery unique. Add kiwis and koalas to a South Pacific breeze. It's a world of wonder in the land down under. You may never wanna leave.
There's no cutting corners here, but it's more than safety. There's a lot of little things, like reading lights, torn fabric,
loose tray tables. We know our customers and what they expect.
Well, I don't ever meet the passengers, but I fly a lot, and I know what I expect. Flights that take off on time, luggage that comes up fast, and it better look like it did when I dropped it off. Things like that aren't too much to expect.
From the grasslands of the Pampas to the beaches of Brazil, to a village in the Andes where time is standing still. From the coast of Costa Rica, Panama to Mexico, come and feel the heat of the Latin beat and let the fire warm your soul. Come and listen to the reggae, stroll beaches hand in hand, take a dive in sky blue waters, sink your toes into the sand. From the shores of all the islands, fly north to Montreal. From a limbo low to Canadian snow, we can take you to it all. American, American, our pride defined in a word.
American has established new standards for air travel worldwide with advanced technologies for better scheduling, baggage handling and ticketing, the best reservation system in the world, superior maintenance, excellent on-time performance. Most of all, we have the best people in the industry. Their professionalism and genuine concern to consistently be the best is the source of our pride.
We're reaching far.